Good morning children. Today we are going to see exercise 5C. Look at the question. Make a factor tree for each of these. Don't use one as a factor. So here we are going to find the factor by using factor tree method. D sum 21. In which table we can get 21? 3 sevens are 21. 3 we can take only one table and 3 table. So 7 also we can take 1 table and 7 table. They already given the condition, we don't use 1 as a factor. So here we can stop. We can't separate this number. Next 40. So 40, which table we can get? 2. 2 20s or 40 we can take. Otherwise 4 10s or 40. So we can take our wish. Then 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 10. 2 5s are 10. See here 2 and 5. 2 we can't separate because 2 only will come 1 table and 2 table. 5 only will come 1 table, 5 table. So here we can stop. So next F sum 48. 6 8s are 48. Then 6 we can separate, 3 2s are 6. 8 we can separate, 2 4s are 8. So 3 we can't separate, 2 we can't separate, another 2 we can't separate, we just bring down. 4 we can separate, 2 2s are 4. So here we can stop. So next, fifth one, find the common factors. So they have given one pair, that is 6, 9. So how will you find common factors? So before you finding common factors, we should find the factors of the numbers. See here, factors of 6. So how will you find the factors? 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are, 2 3s are 6. This one nearest number. So here we can stop. We can take and write U shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the factor of 6. Next, find the factors of 9. 1 multiple 9s are 9. 3 3s are 9. This is nearest number. So here we can stop. So we can take and write the factors 1, 3, 3, 9. So here no need to write 2 times. 1 time is enough. Then take and write the factors for 6. Then take and write the factors for 9. Then find the common factor. So what is the full form of CF? That is common factor. So 1 is the common factor. 3 also is the common factor. You just take and write the common factor. That's all. See next one. H sum also common factor. So first find the factors of 24 and find the factors of 72. Then we should find the common factor. Let's see. So factors of 24, 1 24s are 24. Then 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. See here, this is the nearest number. So only 5 only in between these two numbers. So in 5 table we won't get 24. So here we can stop. Take and write the factors U shape. Then factors of 72. 1 72s are 72. 2 36 or 72. Here you can have some doubt. So which table it will come. So if you have some doubt, you can divide and see in your rough column. So we can divide 72 by 2. We get the quotient as a factor. So 2 36 or 72. We know already the rules. So 3 24s are 72. 4 18s are 72. 6 12s are 72. 8 9s are 72. This is the nearest number. Here we can stop. So take and write the U shape. That is the factors. Then common factors. We are going to find the common factor. So take and write the factors. Then find which one is common. That is the common factor. So next one word problem is there. A shopkeeper has 28 mobile phones from Smart Company and 42 mobile phones from Best Company. He wants to pack the phones in equal number in boxes. This is very important. Equal number in boxes. But he also wants each box to have phone only from one company. So what are the different ways he can do this? So we are going to find equal number of phones in boxes. So how will you find factors of, they have given two. One is 28 mobile phone, another one is 42 mobile phones. So we can find the factors of two numbers, then you can find the common factors. See, factors of 28, 1 28s are 28, 2 14s are 28, 4 7s are 28. So we can find the factors like that. Factors of 42, 1 42s are 42, 2 21s are 42, 3 14s are 42, then 6 7s are 42. So take and write the factors, then find the common factors. See here, 1, 2, 7, 14. These are the common factors of the two numbers, 1, 2, 7, 4. So at last we can write boxes of 1, 2, 7, 14 phones. So this is the word problem. So remaining sums fully homework for you. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you just replay and learn the video. Thank you, children.